Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Panu from Tech Dude, and after a long time I'm back with another unboxing video. So this time we are going to unbox this Digitek microphone, which will cost you around 3000, and the model number is DWM105, and it will cost you around 3000 rupees. And you can use this microphone for Android as well as iPhone, and it comes with ANC as well as ENC. So let us unbox this and see how it works. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So here is the parcel from Amazon. So let us tear this thing out. There you can see here we have the box here. Let me focus it. I don't know why my camera is unable to focus. What the fuck is wrong with it?
We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Talking about the specs, first let us take this plastic peel off. So I'm taking this plastic peel off. Yeah. I don't know why this lens is not able to focus. What's wrong with it? Yeah, it's able to focus. Talking about the specs, it comes with 50 meters of wireless transformation, and it has 2.4 gigahertz of wireless support, as well as it has 6 hours of TX runtime, and it comes with real-time monitoring as well as built-in microphone. And talking about the behind, here you can see all the manufacturing details and all the external things. On the left side you can see the MRP is 5000 rupees. On the right side you can see that there are key features like you can plug and play, and it has 50 meters of working area, and it has precise audio, clear timbre as well as high sensitivity, widely compatible. And I don't know how to open this box, to be honest, and the box quality is pretty good. And let us see. I'm just figuring out how to open this box. So yeah, we have to just open this box like a book. As you can see, there is an Digitek branding over there, and it looks like TWS case with some great plastic build quality, and the plastic is pretty solid. Let us keep it aside. So here is an accessory box where the box is quite minimal, and the packing is also quite minimal. And let us see what this box consists of. To be honest, there is an cover or sleeve, whatever you may be called. It is in sleeve, I guess, to be honest. And there is something inside, I guess. I feel like we got some cheap quality Type-C cable along with some dead cat, and another dead cat for noise filtration or noise cancellation. And you have lightning to Type-C converter. So if you are iPhone user, then you need to get a iPhone to Type-C converter to connect the receiver, but they are providing inside the box. So yeah, which is a good thing. And anyhow, this pouch quality is also pretty good, and there are some user manuals which we are not going to use it anyway. And let us keep these things aside. So yeah, and let us put back in a sleeve. Otherwise I have very bad habit of losing things here and there, throwing things here and there, forgetting things here and there. So yeah, and here is a microphone, and I feel like the plastic quality or the wrap on the microphone is also pretty good. And you can see there are two mics inside it as well as one receiver, and it's all plastic built, but what you can expect for this price. And I feel like we have to test this microphone outdoors, and I'm just removing the sleeve so that the microphone get charged with the connectors along with the case. So we have a power button at the side, and it has 93% of charging left, but I don't want to use it immediately. Like we have to charge it at least for an hour, and then I want to use it. And just placing it in a box, and the build quality of the box is pretty much steady. And there is an right left indicator as well as battery indicator on the case, which comes in handy because you have, like, you can easily figure out your microphone as well as receiver charging percentage based on the case, like you no need to connect it, which makes our life simpler as well as easier. And there is an type C port at the bottom. I don't know why my camera acting so much weird nowadays. And there is a type C port here, and which helps in charging the device. And type C port is pretty convenient as well as easily accessible nowadays. So yeah, let us test this mic at outdoors. So this is our microphone, and now this is the receiver. Now we have to take a phone. I know it's hectic, and we are shooting outdoor because to see the noise cancellation of this microphone. Now I guess we have to remove the case. No, it works pretty well. Now here you can see there is a light blinking over here, and now we have to remove one of the microphone here. And there is a button on the side, which you can see here. You have to long press it so that it connects to the. So as you can see here, there is green indicator over here, and as well as on the mic. So the receiver as well as the microphone got paid. So let us test this microphone on outdoor conditions. So currently we are at outdoors, and there is construction work going on the left side. So I want to test this microphone directly on outdoor harsh conditions, so that I will get a rough idea of how many decibels that this mic can cancel out the noise. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe my channel. So yeah, we are at outdoors. The mic is just into our collar, and I wanna see how the audio quality at this level. And I know it is cancelling out most of the noise, like it is cutting out the vehicle noise as well as construction noise, etc. So yeah, if you are looking for best microphone under 3000 rupees, I would definitely suggest this. And from now, as you know, we are making gym vlogs on another channel as well as moto vlogs. We can use this mic without any hesitation, I guess. So here is the conclusion, guys. I've been using this microphone for past 15 days, and I've been using consistently my mic indoors as well as outdoors. And if you are tight on budget and you are looking a microphone under 3000 rupees, whether you wanna use it for indoors as well as outdoor vlogging, then definitely this mic is for you guys, because it comes with ANC as well as ENC under budget. So it cuts out the external noise, whether it is in indoors as well as outdoors. You can see that you can cut out the construction noise as well as vehicle noise while recording. So I would definitely suggest you guys who is looking for a mic under 3000 rupees, and I feel like this is the best mic. So that's it for this video, guys. If you're new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Signing off here. Thank you.